everyone, I'm Jackie. Today we will make Korean style potato salad. This is very similar to American mashed potato, but the difference is that Korean potato salad is seasoned with mayonnaise and has other vegetables in it. We often add boiled eggs, so it's also similar to American egg salad. You can make this as a side dish or you can make sandwiches with this. I usually make quite a big amount of this and refrigerate it to eat for 2 or 3 days. It's also very good for potluck parties. Let's try it. We are making hard-boiled eggs. Place eggs in a small saucepan. Cover them with cold water. Cover pan with a lid and bring water to a rolling boil over high heat. When the water reaches the boil, remove the lid and boil for 7 minutes over medium-high heat. Remove the heat and cover the pan with the lid. Let it sit for another 5 minutes. Then the eggs will be absolutely hard-boiled. Cool down the eggs in cold water and peel them. This is my way of peeling boiled eggs. Heat the shell all around and peel them in almost one piece, like this. After rinsing the cucumber, remove the bumpy parts of the peel. You don't have to remove all the peels. And slice it very thinly. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and mix them well. After 5 minutes, squeeze them to remove the water. I slice them somewhat thick, so I will chop them a few times. Peel the potatoes. The bigger, the easier. I wanted to buy bigger ones, but these small potatoes looked so fresh. And cut them into big pieces like this. You can boil just the whole potatoes in a pot, but you will need more cooking time. Cut the carrot into big pieces like this. Don't worry, we'll boil them later with potatoes. And cut them into small pieces. Slice the onions thinly and chop them up. Place the potatoes in a pot and cover them with cold water. Add 1 tablespoon of salt and cover the pot with the lid and boil them over high heat. When the water has reached the boil, open the lid and lower the heat into medium. Boil around 5 more minutes and add the carrot pieces. Boil them 5 more minutes. To test the potatoes, you poke it with chopsticks. When it's broken like this, it is well cooked. And remove the heat. After carrot was boiled with potatoes, separate them from the potatoes and cut into small pieces. Scoop or drain the cooked potatoes into a bowl. Add the chopped onions and mix and mash them with masher or fork. The chopped onions are slightly cooked in the hot potatoes, so it becomes a little bit sweet. When the potatoes are fully mashed, add the boiled eggs. Break the eggs with a fork. You can see the egg yolks are very solid. Add the other ingredients: cucumber, carrot, and half cup of mayonnaise. Mix them well. If you want some sweet taste, you can add raisins or dried cranberries. I often add crispy apple slices to add some sour and sweet taste. Be creative.